The Implementation Consultant, Managed Gateway for Spend Management and SAP Business Network exam changes everything. This is no longer a memorization-based test. It now puts you into real consulting scenarios where AI challenges your decisions, architecture, and implementation skills in real time. If you only study theory, you'll struggle. In this video, you'll face realistic exam simulations, scenario-based questions, and consultant-level problem-solving designed for the new performance-based exam format. Because in the real exam, you won't just choose answers. You'll think like a real consultant. Let's begin with the first scenario. Scenario 1. Supplier Integration. Failure. A manufacturing company recently integrated SAP Ariba with S/4HANA using Managed Gateway for Spend Management. However, purchase orders are failing to transmit to suppliers on SAP Business Network. The client's procurement operations are delayed, and suppliers are not receiving real-time purchasing documents. The AI stakeholder asks, why are purchase orders failing, and how would you troubleshoot this integration issue? As an SAP consultant, your first responsibility is identifying where the integration flow is breaking. In a real SAP hands-on practice environment, you would verify integration monitoring logs, document mapping status, communication channel configuration, ERP connectivity, authentication and certificate validity. Next, you would inspect message payload mapping between SAP S/4HANA and SAP Business Network. One small mapping inconsistency can stop procurement documents from processing correctly. The AI persona may now cross-question you. How do you prevent future transmission failures? Your answer should include proactive monitoring, alert configuration, error reprocessing strategies, standardized mapping governance, automated integration validation testing. This is how SAP exam tasks now evaluate practical consultant thinking instead of memorized theory. Scenario 2. Master Data Synchronization Challenge. Now, let's move into another exam simulation. Scenario A. Global enterprise notices supplier master data inconsistencies between SAP ERP and SAP Ariba. Suppliers appear active in one system but inactive in another. This causes procurement delays and invoice processing issues. The AI stakeholder asks, how would you design a stable synchronization strategy? A strong SAP consultant answer should focus on centralized master data governance, synchronization frequency, validation rules, duplicate prevention, change tracking mechanisms. You must also explain how managed gateway integration supports consistent data exchange between systems. The exam may further challenge you with questions like, what risks occur if synchronization fails during high procurement activity? Your response should demonstrate business awareness. Procurement disruption, invoice mismatches, supplier communication failures, compliance risks, reporting inaccuracies. This is why SAP scenario-based questions require both technical knowledge and business process understanding. If you want realistic exam simulation practice for CRKIG, including AI role-play scenarios, hands-on practice, flashcards, and mock exams, check out certshero.com. Practicing realistic exam tasks is one of the fastest ways to build confidence for the new SAP performance-based exam format. Scenario 3. Integration Architecture. Decision. A company plans to scale procurement operations globally across multiple ERP systems. The client asks, should we use a centralized integration architecture or region-specific integration flows? This is where SAP consultants must think strategically. A centralized architecture provides easier governance, unified monitoring, lower maintenance overhead, standardized compliance, but regional integration models may improve localization flexibility, regulatory adaptation, performance optimization. The AI stakeholder may challenge you. How would you justify your recommendation to executives? A consultant-level answer should balance cost, scalability, security, operational complexity, long-term maintenance. This is exactly how the SAP CRKIG exam evaluates real-world consulting ability. Not by memorizing definitions, but by testing your architecture judgment. Scenario 4, error monitoring and recovery. Invoices transmitted from SAP Business Network are intermittently failing in SAP ERP. The business fears financial processing delays. The AI stakeholder asks, how would you implement reliable monitoring and recovery procedures? A consultant should explain, automated alerts, message retry configuration, exception handling workflows, monitoring dashboards, root cause analysis procedures. The exam may also ask, how do you reduce recurring integration incidents? Your answer should include governance standards, documentation practices, integration testing cycles, KPI monitoring, preventive maintenance reviews. This is why SAP hands-on practice matters far more than memorizing dumps alone. Today, you experienced realistic exam scenarios. These are the kinds of SAP exam tasks now appearing in the new AI role-play assessment format. The goal is no longer just passing an exam. The goal is proving that you can perform like a real SAP implementation consultant in live business situations. If you want deeper SAP exam simulation practice with AI role-plays, mock tests, flashcards, and realistic SAP scenario-based questions, visit certshero.com and continue building your consultant-level skills. And remember, consistency, hands-on practice, and real scenario training are what separate certified candidates from real SAP professionals. See you in the next advanced SAP integration training video.